Welcome to MaidCV.com. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Elsa Campomanes,
How old are you?
38-year-old,
And you're from?
Philippines,
Philippines. Are you single or married?
married.
Do you have children?
Yeah, two boys and two girls.
Girls. Where are they now?
In
And
Philippines,
who's taking care of your children?
my husband and my mother.
Okay. When would you be able to start working for a new employer?
First start working in 2010.
No, when can you start for a new job? For a new job?
And
Immediately? You can start immediately?
yeah, immediately, mas better immediately because I need work, I help my family.
Okay. So do you have relatives here in UAE?
I
You
have,
have relatives?
I have.
You have. Okay. Please describe your last job as a housemaid and cook and nanny. What was your last job? You worked as a housemaid, right?
Yes, cooking, cleaning,
Okay.
grab food.
Do they have children?
Yeah, I have four.
No, your employer. Do they
Yeah,
have children?
children.
3. And you're looking after them also?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what did you like most about your last job? What
About
did you enjoy? Yes, doing in your last job.
I'm happy.
No, what did you enjoy? For example, cleaning, cooking, or looking
Cleaning,
after
cooking,
children?
cleaning, cooking, and then Filipino food. I cook Filipino food, and then Arabic food.
Okay. So you enjoyed cleaning and cooking. Okay. Describe in details how are you going to perform your task for each location in the house. For example, how are you going to clean the living room? Living room.
Living room,
Yes, how are you going to clean it? Describe from
vacuum,
start to finish. Okay, vacuum and then
and the dusting.
vacuuming, dusting, and then
Too much clean in any kind of how to clean in the bedroom.
okay. So how about the toilet? How are you going to maintain the cleanliness of the toilet?
Of course, clean in like uh,
You're
powder
going
and then liquid.
Okay, so how often are you going to clean the toilet? How often? Are you going to clean it daily or how often?
Daily, of course, daily.
You have to clean the toilet daily to maintain its cleanliness. Okay. So you said you love to cook. What kind of foods you can cook?
Arabic food and Sudanese food.
Okay. So are you willing to learn how to cook other dishes, other cuisines?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. And can you follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
So what kind of a housemaid are you? Describe yourself.
Nani
What
or
kind of housemaid are you? Are you hardworking, honest,
yes, of
flexible?
course. I'm hardworking. I'm not kill the time.
Okay, so you're hardworking.
Sport.
Okay, so give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Okay.
Why? Why should they hire you? Okay, give a short message.
Okay, my dear employer. Yes, of course. About work, I know. Uh, I'm honest, and I'm also cooking and cleaning, and too much other. And then I take baby care or cat or dog. Uh,
Okay, so you're
so
honest
I
and a good
know.
cook.
And hardworking especially.
Hardworking. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you from MaidTV.com. Thank you.
Thank